Good morning, children. Here I am going to take poem. That is the little boy and the old man. The little boy and the old man. There was a conversation between the little boy and old man. Author Sheldon Allen. First, some points. Sheldon Allen was an American poet. He was an American poet, singer. He used to sing and cartoonist, screenwriter and author of children's books. He is famous for his poems and theatre practices. So he was well known to all. This author, well known to all. This author written the little boy and the old man. What was the conversation? We are going to go to funny one. Said the little boy, sometimes I drop my spoon. Boy saying to the old man, sometimes I drop my spoon like down. Drop the spoon down. So what is the answer from the old man? Said the old man, I do that too. That means the old man also came from the childhood. No, what the boy did, the old man also done everything in his childhood. So simultaneously, that is the answer we are going to get between these two conversations. Said the little old man, I do that too. The second one. First one is the I drop my spoon. The old man also said I did like that too. The little boy whispered means saying a very slowly, low voice, saying something into the other ears. What this boy is saying, whispering, I wet my pants. I passed the water. My pants became wet. Like that, without feeling shame, the boy is saying. So what was the old man? I do that too. When I was a child, I do the same. I do that too, love the little old man. So when the little old man said, he was laughing. When the boy said, I wet my pants, then the old man laughing and saying, I do that when I was a child. Then third one, first one is the I drop my spoon. And second one, I wet my pants. And third one, said the little boy, I often cry. I often cry. What the boy saying? I often cry. What the old man saying? The old man nodded. Nodding means moving the head like this. Yes. So everyone, what the boy is saying, we also done like that only when we were small. So he was nodding. The old man nodding. I often. So do I. I also cried. Then last one is the but worst of all, said the boy. Why the boy was saying this is the worst? Why? What was the worst one? Said the boy. It seems, it looks, it seems, grown-ups don't pay attention on me. Grown-up, those who are growing from the childhood to growing, they won't show attention on me. That is the worst one. Like the boy saying grown up don't pay attention on me. Attention means they won't keep the concentration on me. That was the very worst one. Who said that one? The little boy. Grown-ups don't pay attention on me. And he felt the warmth. That means he was an old man, no? He felt the warmth of a wrinkled old hand. Wrinkled means folded one. Folded means mortalu. So a wrinkled folded hand. The old man, a wrinkled folded hand. I know what you mean. I know what you are saying. I know what you was. Why? Why the old man saying? Because the old man also brought up from the childhood like that. Okay. That's what he knows everything. What was happened in the childhood days. So that answer is I know what you mean, said the little old man. So first one, what was the question? I dropped my spoon. And second one, I wet my pants. And third one, I often cry. For these three answers, he given the answer. First one, I do that too. Second one, he laughed. When the boy said, I wet my pants, he laughed. And second time, he whispered. When he whispered, that means that was a shameful, no? That's what he was whispering. So old man laughed. I too with my pants. And third one, he was saying, the grown-ups never attention on me. For that answer, old man saying, I know what you mean. Like that, the old man given the answer. That is the conversation between the little boy and then little old man. So what was the little boy saying? Same he also done when he was in childhood. When he was a child, he did like that. So from that only we are coming, no ma? So what was the question? The same 100% correct only. So he was laughing, he was whispering, he was nodding. Okay, then boy said the worst. What was the worst one? Grown ups never attention on me. They never show the concentration on me. That was the worst one. Then for that answer, I know what you're thinking, what you mean. I know, like that the old man said. So whisper, speak very softly. Nod. Nod means doing like this. So whenever anybody says, when we say, when we nod your head, you are accepting. So here also nodding means when the boy was saying, the old man was nodding, yes, I agree, like that, agree, respond. He was giving the answer, responding. The wrinkle means folded one. This is the about the little boy and the old man, poet named Sheldon Allan. So once again you read the poem. Those who are having the textbooks, please you read the poem. Those who read, please buy it and take all the answers and what we are going to say. You watch all the videos correctly. The last Monday I taught the tenses. No, present tense to past tense to future tense to past tense to present tense. So how to, please you go through the mom's video and check and remember all the answers. Now you are the 6th students, don't be lazy, ma. Okay, have you understood? Okay, bye.